Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2005, right? Yes. So the given question is among the acid property transactions. Okay, so among the acid property transactions, the durability property requires that the change made in the database by successful transactions persist. So basically, if you recall what is a durability, guys, so we are having acid properties, right? So in the last letter D is nothing but a durability, right? Yes. So what exactly do they mean by durability, guys? Okay. So basically durability means, so if there are any particular changes done to the database, they should be committed forever, right? Yes, and in a proper way. So if a committed statement is there, it can never roll back, right? Yes. So that is what durability says. So option A says that except in case of operating system crash. Option B says that except in case of a disk crash. Option C says that except in case of a power failure. Option D says that always, even if there is a failure of any kind. Okay, so let us read the question again. So among the acid properties of transaction, the durability property requires that the change made in the database by a successful transition should persist. So means they are saying what type of crashes do we allow. So if there is operating system crash or disk crash or power failure, so if there is any kind of issue, we don't care, right? So we want to save our data first and then only everything will be done, right? Yes. So in any kind of crashes, we want our data to be saved properly. So that is the reason why I think all crashes are allowed here, and always, even if there is a failure of any kind, right? Yes. So any of the above is correct, guys, right? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? Yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, guys. This is a theoretical question, right? Yes. So got an idea, right? Yes. So basically durability means what, guys? So whatever you are trying to write, it should be written permanently. So if there is any crash, you should roll back and you should be safe, right? Or if whatever is written permanently should save permanently, even though there is any crash. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.